Hello guys, this is Crypto Airdropper. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'll be showing guys yet another live withdrawal from Tron.ac cloud mining app. It's a Tron cloud mining app where you mine Tron for free after making an initial deposit, and you can earn in two ways. You earn from the mining session and you can also earn from the referral session. But before we get into more details about the app, I will show you a live withdrawal from the app. So for the purpose of this withdrawal, I'll be withdrawing from my promotion account. So basically you earn TRX into your promotion account by inviting members to the site. That's basically by networking the site. You earn free TRX once anybody invited to the site makes a deposit to activate the mining session of the app. Okay, I'll be telling you guys more about that in a while. So to withdraw from this site, once you log in to your account, because I believe for those of you that subscribe to my channel, this is not the first time you're watching a video about this app. I've been using it for a while and so far so good. I've been withdrawing quite all right. Okay, so but before I continue, I would love to remind you guys that this is not financial advice and I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just showing you guys one of the ways I earn free cryptocurrency online, because I know if you're watching this video, you should know I make videos about cryptocurrency. So to get to the withdrawal section on the app, you click on where it says withdrawal on the home page. It will redirect you to a page like this. So on this page, you can withdraw from either your basic account and your promotion account. So however, withdrawal from the basic account has a daily limit, while withdrawal from the promotion account has no limit, so it's unlimited. So I'll be withdrawing all of my balance from my promotion account to my trust wallet account, but before we do that, let's go and check my balance on trust wallet. So this is my trust wallet account, and as you can see, I have about 4,152 TRX. So I'll be withdrawing 291 to the account. Okay, so promotion account, withdrawing 291 TRX to the account. So you put in your amount, you put in the security password. So you create this security password when you're registering for an account. Once you fill out all the required details, then click on confirm. So withdrawal successful, and it usually takes less than a minute or two for it to reflect on your trust wallet. Okay, so as you can see, I've just received 291 TRX in my account. So let's go over to trust wallet to confirm it. Okay, so as you can see, I just received 291 TRX. So this is proof that this website pays. Okay, that it still pays. So how do you get started? How do you make as much as I do? It's very easy. The first thing you need to do is you need to register. To register, in the description of this video there's a link, a registration link. Once you click on it, to redirect you to the registration page. You just fill out the details, and once your registration is complete, you receive free 600 TRX as a sign up bonus. That's if you used my link to register. Okay, however, after registering, to activate the mining session on the app, okay, where you can claim free TRX daily, as you can see, I'm just claiming mine because I've not been on the app for some days, so I'm claiming everything right now. So once you claim your mine TRX, will be added to your total balance. Okay, so once you register, you need to make a deposit on the app to activate the mining session. So before I show you guys how to do that, this is Crypto Airdropper. Okay, this is my official YouTube channel. I make videos about cryptocurrency. So if you've not subscribed to my channel yet, or if this is the first time you're coming across my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit the bell icon beside it to turn on notification, so that whenever I drop a new video, YouTube will notify you guys immediately. And one more thing, make sure you come over to the community section on my app and place your votes, okay? Because I'm planning to do another giveaway. Because if you've been on my channel, you've been watching my videos, you know I do giveaways often. So I want to give out another, I want to do another giveaway, but I want you guys to decide what token I should give, the giveaway should be about, okay? So you can come over here and vote on any of these 5 coins, okay? Which one you want me to give away with. So the one with the highest votes is what I'll be giving out in my next video. Okay, so make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss out on these giveaways. Okay, so let's get back to our video. So once you register, you need to make a deposit to activate the mining section. So you can deposit as low as 5 TRX on the site. Okay, so the more you deposit, the more percent you can withdraw from your basic account. Because I told you guys, basic account withdraw from basic account is limited. So it's limited. It's determined, the amount is determined by the total amount on your that's your total deposit amount, that's your total TRX deposit quantity. So to deposit, you come over here, you copy this wallet address, okay? Just you click on copy to copy it, sorry, deposit, you click on copy. So once you copy it, then you open up any of your crypto wallets that has TRX that you want to send to the site, okay? So I'll be sending 100 TRX for the purpose of this video. So you paste the address, you put in the amount, okay? You click on continue, and you confirm the transaction. Okay, so let's just wait patiently for it while it loads. My network is a bit slow this today, okay? So that's it. Then you confirm the transaction. Sorry guys, please bear with me, the network over here. So transaction error, network error. So that's it. Once the transfer is completed, we go back to the site. So transfer is successful. Now go back to the site, then you go to where it says mine. But before you do that, make sure you click on recharge completed, okay? You click on recharge completed so that you allow the website that you've already made a deposit on the site. Okay, so I already deposited about 300 TRX already. So with that 300 TRX I just deposited, my total balance should be 400 TRX once they receive it. It usually takes less than 5 minutes for it to reflect, so just be patient. So guys, as you can see, the total TRX deposit quantity is now 400 TRX. Okay, so now once you make the deposit, the mining session will be activated automatically, and you can come over here under trading and claim your mine TRX every 24 hours. So the higher your total TRX balance, the more the site mines for you, because basically it mines 6% of your total TRX balance. Okay, so that's how you earn into your basic account. That you earn either from registration bonuses. That's once you refer anybody to the site, once they register with your link, you get free TRX and it goes to your wallet account. Okay, it goes to your wallet account, and the mining session mines 6%. You get 6% of your total balance in your wallet account every 24 hours. So how do you earn into your promotion account? To earn into a promotion account, you need to refer people to the site. And how do you do that? You need to share your referral link. You go to where it says share, and you'll be able to copy out your referral link, which you will share to your friends and family, or your friends on social media platforms like Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, or your Telegram. And once you get them to sign up, you receive free TRX in your wallet account. And once they make a deposit to activate their mining, you also receive free TRX on your promotion account. So it's that easy. And you can also transfer TRX from your promotion account to your basic account, because since the site mines your, that's the mining session is based on the total amount in your basic account. Okay, that's your wallet account. So you can transfer from your promotion account to your wallet account so that you'll be able to increase the total amount of mined TRX you earn after every 24 hours. So to do that, you just come over here to where it says transfer. Okay, transfer to basic, then just put the amount you want to transfer from your promotion account to your basic account. You put in your password and you confirm. So it's that easy. Okay, so I think that's all I have for you guys today. And make sure, if you're not on this site yet, make sure you hop on and you start using it immediately while it lasts. Okay, because sites like this, we don't really know how long they last, so it's better you make the most of them while they still work and while they're still paying. So thanks for watching, guys. Feel free to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to receive timely updates whenever I drop a new video about how you can make money from the crypto space. Okay, so thanks for watching one more time, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.